Okay children, now we move on to our next topic, that is conversion of units in time. Okay, we are discussing so many subtopics in our chapter, that is time. Now we are going to conversion of, that is days. Okay, the years are given. So how many days in a year? Okay, let me calculate with example sums for normal year and a leap year. Okay. So that is in our chapter, that is time. Okay, that is conversion of days, conversion of years into days. Okay. That is 1 year is equal to, that is for normal year 365 days. And for leap year, that is 366 days. Okay, that is our question, that is leap year and okay, that is 19 days. Okay, conversion of days. Here this is a leap year. So you have to know the tables and units, that is leap year has 366 days. Okay, so you have to add 366 plus 19 days. Okay, and conversion of that is 2 years. Okay, and 100 days. Okay, conversion of years into days, that is leap year, that means 366 plus 19. Okay, because the leap year, it has a February, it has 29 days. So leap year total, that is 366 days. And plus 19 days you have to add on. So that is 366 plus 19. Okay, 15, 1, okay, and 8, that is 385. Total 385 days is the answer. Okay, and here 2 years and 100 days. This is a normal year. So 1 year is equal to, that is 1 year is equal to 365 days for normal year, because February has 28 days. Okay, therefore into 2 years. Okay, that is 365 into 2. 1 year has 365. So therefore 2 years means you have to multiply the number 365 into 2. Okay, that is 365 into 2. Okay, 10, 1, okay, 12 plus 1, 13, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, that is 730, and already that is 100 days. So you have to add on this 100 days with 730. Okay, that is 730 plus 100 days. Answer is 830 days. This is a final answer for, that is 2 years and 100 days. So this is a conversion method to calculate how many days for the normal year and the leap year. Leap year means it is 306 and add on with the extra days. For normal year you have to calculate the how many years, okay, and that means you 365 days to calculate as a days in per year for normal year. Okay, so you can differentiate between the normal year and the leap year. Okay, and next we move on to the addition on, that is addition in time and subtraction of time. Okay, our next topic, that is addition. Okay, addition or time. Okay, that is hours and minutes. Okay, 9 hours 12 minutes, 8 hours 10 minutes. Okay, have to add. Okay, one more sum, that is hour and minute. Okay, that is 7, okay, 62 and 2, okay, 20. 7 hours 60 minutes, okay, and 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay, here these, observe this example sums. normal addition method. Okay, that is 9 hours 12 minutes. Okay, add with 8 hours 10 minutes. So first you have to start from this right hand side digits to the towards the left. Okay, as per normal addition to ones, tens, 100. Here that is a minutes and this is a hour unit, and here that is minute unit and hour. Okay, let me plus, that is 2 plus 0, answer is 2. Okay, and 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 9 plus 8, that is 17. Okay, that is 17 total addition, that is 17 hours 22 minutes. So answer is 17 hours 22 minutes. So this is the answer. Okay, here observe this number. You have to add 7 hours 60 minutes with 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay, now you can add by this number, that is 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 6 plus 2, here answer is 80 minutes. Okay, 60 plus 20 minutes, that is 80 minutes. That is 80 is more than 60. So you have to put here only 20 minutes of this 80. Okay, 60 minutes carry over to the next hour. That is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You know the term in time, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so understand here, that is 60 minutes to 20 minutes, the answer is 80 minutes. Because of 80 is greater than 60 minutes, so put here, that is 80 minus 60, that is 20 minutes here. Okay, over the 60 minutes, this carry over as a 1 hour here. Okay, that because that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, now you have to add this 7 hours and 2 hours, that is 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 plus 1, that is 10 hours. Okay, so the answer is 7 hours 60 minutes plus 2 hours 20 minutes. It gives 10 hours 20 minutes. Okay, do you understand this concept? For normal addition, you have to carry over the number. Okay, but here you have to recap the timetable. For 60 minutes, it's recorded as a 1 hour, and add on this hour to this 1 hour. So the answer is 10 hours 20 minutes. Okay, this is a normal addition, this is a carryover addition of time. And let me move on, next subtraction sum. Okay,